In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable autoplay videos in Canva. When you're designing in Canva, especially presentations or video projects, autoplay can make a big difference in how your final design feels. Sometimes you want your video to start playing automatically for a smooth, hands-free experience. Other times, you might want more control so the viewer chooses when to play the video. I'll walk you through exactly where this setting lives in Canva and how to adjust it, so you can quickly switch between autoplay on and off whenever you need. First, open Canva and head to the design that contains the video you want to adjust. This could be a presentation slide, a social media video, or any design that uses video. Make sure the design is fully loaded, then click directly on the video element on your page. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline and handles appear around the video. Once your video is selected, look over to the right side of your screen or the top toolbar, depending on your Canva layout. You'll see a panel or menu with options specifically for that video. Here is where Canva groups things like trimming, volume, and, importantly for this tutorial, playback options. Within those video settings, look for an option related to autoplay. This may appear as a toggle switch, a checkbox, or a labeled setting that says something like autoplay or play automatically. If you want your video to start playing on its own as soon as the slide or page is shown, make sure this option is turned on. If you prefer that the video only plays when someone clicks on it, simply turn the autoplay setting off. After changing the setting, it's a good idea to preview your design. Click on the Preview or Present button in Canva, then navigate to the page with your video. Watch how it behaves. If autoplay is enabled, it should start on its own. If it's disabled, it should stay paused until you press play. If it's not behaving the way you expect, return to the video settings and double-check that the toggle is set correctly. Remember, you can adjust autoplay for each video individually, which gives you a lot of flexibility. Use autoplay for background loops or intro clips, and disable it where you need the viewer to focus before they choose to play. That's all you need to enable or disable autoplay videos in Canva.